our weekly countdown. And the #1 song of the week is the Abandoned Band, What's Up? And there it goes. Yeah!
Mga pare, maraming salamat sa pagpunta sa inyong session sa Item 86. Kami nga pala Abandoned Band. Ito yung #1 song namin. Cheers mo lang mga pare! Cheers mo lang kayo!
Cheers! Sorry po. Cheers!
Cheers mo pare! I love you pare! Wala sa Singapore! Ito muna yung gata para sa inyo.
Ready na yan!
Oh, ready na pre.
Dito kami pinakilala. Mamaya na lang.
Ito para sa inyo mga pare. Enjoy lang mga pare. Yes, come on. Baby.
Wala pa. Bila.
Trying to get that baby alone for a destination. Mga pare, shot lang!
Shot?
I realize you don't do it. But the world wants to make it up. Mamaya na, pre! For whatever that means. Dapat nakahawak ko to, pre.
Oo, yan, dapat.
And so I close inside when I'm lying in bed to get it once in my head. So feeling
Becky, dun ka.
Dito na ako, tatayo na ako sa
but
bed.
so in the morning, step outside and I take a look and I get real high and I shoot the top of my lungs. What's going on? Mare, tagal. And I say, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on?
What's going on?
And I said, hey, yeah. trying to get out.